Top three things in my notebook this morning. Number one, Japan. Number two, the United Kingdom. And number three, the 10-year bond yield. So the first one is Japan. To follow the bouncing ball, you get a little taper talk. Taper talk takes the dollar up. The dollar takes the yen down. The yen down takes the Nikkei up. Follow the bouncing ball. That's the macro correlation that the markets and the machines are the market, are chasing. So again, look at that for what it is, which probably means if the dollar fades here and corrects that Japan is immediate-term trade overbought, which at 50.2% up year to date, it probably is. United Kingdom. So again, let's take the narrative fallacy of the Keynesian crackheads and say exports. What's bad for exports? Oh, strong currencies are bad for exports. UK puts strong pound on the board, strong currency on the board. They hit an 18-year high on factory orders. What happened? Crickets. You won't hear about that. Certainly won't hear about that in the halls of academia today. They'll probably just take the day off. Again, the UK continues to deliver fantastically on strong currency, strong economic data as the purchasing power of the people goes up in the face of CPI, or consumer price inflation, going down. 10-year bond yield in the U.S. has one heck of a move intraday yesterday, so if you didn't know, now you know. Some people had the Fed minutes in hand, and people pay, consultants a lot of money for these types of things, so you're kind of like sitting there saying, well, gold's down. Why is gold down into what? We got a Fed minutes. That's stale. That's old data. Janet Yellen has spoken post that. It doesn't matter. People trade on inside information. So again, you got the information, which is stale Fed minutes on taper talk. Gold went down. 10-year bond yields did what? They went up, and now they're going to make a lower high. So again, you don't want to be chasing those types of moves. This morning will tell you quite convincingly that taper talk is being faded. So what we see this morning is 10-year bond yields tick down, gold ticks up, and that's the playbook, so we're going to stick to it. We are long gold again. We bought it for the third time on the signal yesterday, and I thought that was a pretty good signal. We'll see if, in fact, that is true. Those are your top three things.